Sometimes when making an energy ball with someone, I can feel what's happening inside their body. And I can sense how their energy is flowing through their body. And my purpose is not to judge or criticize or try to figure out what's wrong, but rather to find out what's right with the person, to help the person get into the flow. So sometimes I'll say to them, think about something that brings you joy, or think about the color purple, and all of a sudden I can feel the blockage in the person just clears. Energy blockages happen for many, many reasons. What we're interested in is that those blockages are released. Now, if we get caught in the reason, then we can build up the blockage. When you're working with trauma, it can trigger the chaos inside the person. And if that happens, then we can take that moment when it gets triggered and have the body release the tension from the body. The way that the body does that is through identifying where it is, identifying what it needs in order to leave, and communicating with the tension inside the body. It's amazing how well it works, how well our bodies know how to clear themselves. And once I do that, and I'm holding energy with it, it goes very quickly. I've had many experiences where I felt the tension, and then all of a sudden it releases, and I feel much more than just that little tension. I feel like something has opened up inside of me, and I'm sending a blessing to the world at the same time. So I invite you to do the same.